This is Nobuton Tenshap iChannel. We are here at Loftus Versfeld, Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Amazulu 0. Brother, how's it?
Kawija chifata kruka mbele bedrika. Kawija spite rolla mbele bedrika. Memela spite rolla. Kawija namba bata career demanda. Kregele levos spite memela. One babata. Whatever the flashlight. Pongo watondu tele. Kregel foto lovata. Loftus Versfeld.
Hey.
Lugonule kireka change ke ya go Zulu.
Yeah.
Kethi namuhla ngiyabonga onke amateam adlala kamnandi. Ngibonga yena amaZulu. Usinokonoko, yamasinokonoko. Angaphi usinokonoko? Are kabina le maZulu. Kodebene. Kibina le maZulu. Entry kodebene.
Yeah. Arwaleka
So
game, yeah.
ngithi mina igame namhlanje ngilebukile ne ngiyabonga ngibonga Marcelo Olende ngiyabonga nayo Honeymoon. It was a very good game and then those Amazulu players did not show any flaws. They showed their plus and they showed that they came here, they were not afraid and they came here with cards. Mamelodi Sundowns, thank you as well. You did show that you are here. It's your home province and you played very well. And I'm very proud of every team that performs at the home province, home
game,
stadium or whatever it is called.
Yeah.
But I also appreciate the players and the team that came from all the way to come and play away. The Amazulu team did not play very bad.
Okay.
No, not at all. Referees' decisions will be decided. You know, they always decided on the last minute. But I want to tell you this,
Yeah.
a fair game needs to be appropriated.
That's English.
Yeah, you get it there on Oxford.
Dictionary, yeah.
Yeah, but what was displayed here today
Yeah.
or tonight, we need to really get into VAR. Yes, because truly speaking,
Yeah.
some of the fouls were given inappropriate. Some were given properly sold.
Yeah.
So I would like for I'm not gonna say VAR. VAR has always been there. They just say VAR today. We are one of the biggest also. It's VAR.
Yeah.
Even when we're watching the game, one is playing now. Mama municipal, let's go on by TV.
Yeah.
Let's go on stadium. If VAR, yeah, say born. So I'm just gonna say congratulations to the Mamelodi Sundowns players and the team. Mina, I will never be jealous of a successful team in the South African continent or a country. I always, you know me,
Yeah.
appreciate players who are performing, whether it's in the Continental, World Cup Championship,
Yeah.
CAF Championship. I always say, the one who performs is the one who makes a mark.
Perfect.
Thank you
so
very much.
Are kwa mkhotsi kena ka pele
80 minutes ago
zwakala ngaso
okay okay before
but minutes more high. How's it? Yeah. What's your take on the game tonight? What's your take on the game? Like ukutaka game after
win of yours, win it people maximum, like it's maximum. How now go more than 3.
Yeah.
There's no one to score more than 3.
Yeah.
It's only one number 1.
Yeah.
Right?
Another 4 points. One number 1, number 4.
Yes. Okay.
The number 1?
Yes.
One
kids. How mola bo tsa santse ba tega ba lebelle yes I think compare le batho best team in Africa our best so far because Al Ahly will beat them high and low.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mara ka game ya Fanda kutuka banga.
Fanta against Amazulu, that's one always lose. No, sure.
Yeah.
No, maybe when I'm here for Luis, yeah, Loftus, you know, I'm here.
Always win.
If I'm saying I'm not happy, I'm going to talk about 2 people or 3 people, you know, every time. Understand?
Yeah.
I'm happy.
Thank you so much. Sorry, done.
I'm done about what? Okay. My thoughts
Your thoughts?
about game.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, so you will let it out. Yeah.
Aye, my thoughts.
Yeah.
Okay. We have to fix, We have to fix. We have to fix
How do you fix it?
our team. Understand? Substitution, especially when it comes to substitution. Substitution cost us. But today it's surprise because it's Loftus. Yeah, it's Loftus. I can see, okay, it's fine, my friend.
No, thanks for playing.
Just know that I'm a friend.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much, mate.
Sure. Yeah.
For your soccer updates, visit www.ngobo2010sharpi.com.